Hey, come down. Stop.
Cat's like, what the hell are you doing?
Well, don't get
Okay, you ready? Let it go. She's not as crazy as Joe's. She's like, what the hell is that?
She's scared of it. Oh, my God.
Where'd she go?
Oh, she's a black tabby. She's scared.
She's like, get this fucking thing off. She's like, I hate this thing. Oh my God.
One day she's gonna, like...
She's gonna kill us. And I have one behind me chewing on my string.
You should do it on the other one now.
Yeah, he's more crazier.
Yeah.
Ow! So,
See, look, she's trying to take it off.
she ain't
She's
stupid.
smart.
Yeah, she ain't stupid. She's like, ooh. She's like, I hate you. Thought it was back here. Wait, Joe.
Oh, don't do it to my baby.
Do it to Joe. He's funnier.
It doesn't hurt, don't worry.
It doesn't.
If I tie in the middle of his tail, then it would.
Yeah, she does it at the base.
Most of the nerves go all the way down to the bottom. See, he's calm.
He's just like, whatever. But when he gets on, he goes crazy. See ya.
He doesn't understand, and then it's like...
Hey, wait. See ya now. Here we go. Joe's number 2. He's crazy.